So hello everybody. Yesterday I made a video about ICONOMI, this one, about how it's my favorite investment right now. It already has 835 views, thanks a lot for that, and 24 thumbs up and no thumbs down, so very happy with that one. And then this happened, boom. The price went up 25% in a day and then dumped, somebody took profit, and now we're up again. A huge upward trend. It's amazing. I'm so excited, and let me tell you what happened. ICONOMI just posted a new news article about their repayment program. When I first saw it, I was a bit shocked, because what they say is we're not going to pay dividends. In my previous video I explained they were going to pay dividends to every holder of ICN in the form of Ethereum. So having any profits or fees that they generate on the ICONOMI platform were going to be given to the holders of ICN in the form of Ethereum, which was very exciting, of course. And when but basically this article explains that there are a lot of complications with this, and that they decided to do it a different way, and they're gonna issue a repayment program. It's gonna start April 1st already, so that's in 2 days. What they're going to do, they're going to spend their profits and the fees they generate to purchase ICN themselves on the market and burn it, destroy them, basically, in a smart contract. So what this does, it will give constant buying pressure for ICN, so good price support. It will be on open markets, so it will generate trading volume, which is good. They won't purchase crazy prices, and they won't purchase large volumes, so they will not go over 20%, for instance. So they won't create chaos on the market, which we don't want. The tokens are destroyed, so there will be less ICN over time. The more successful ICONOMI becomes, the less ICN there is, which means the more valuable the ICN you have will be. And it will be open, so you can see it. It's very, the more I think about it, the more excited I'm about it. People like it a lot. There are some people who are angry. I understand it a little bit. They expected Ethereum as a payout, dividends, and they're not getting it. They're mad. To be honest, you should think a little bit more about that. I mean, first of all, the dividends were going to be very small at first, because there's no platform yet, so how can there be a lot of profits, right? They have profits from some investments, but then they're not going to spend that all at once. So the first dividends were going to be very small, maybe like one Ethereum if you hold, I don't know, 10,000 ICN or something, or I don't know, very small, which probably would cause a lot of people to be disappointed and sell, so the price would have dropped probably the first payment. And this is actually a great news article. It's a coin. I really liked a comment of this guy, Mathieu's Grezalak. ICN just became the first ever deflationary coin in history. There's going to be less and less over time, not like Bitcoin where they're mining, so there's more Bitcoin every year. Now there's going to be less ICN every year, so the ones you have will be more valuable over time. There's another article here about Sebastian Munyava. I will put it in the links. It's very good. Yeah, they will pay for it. They will buy ICN with 3% management fee, 20% gains, a percentage of the rebalancing fees, and any other fee. So could be quite a lot of buying actually. And this is a little bit about dividends versus buyback, and the more I think about it, the better it is. So, as you can see, the price, it went up like crazy. A big player sold, took some really good profits, and he might have bought back, of course. Some panic, this is normal. This just teaches you, just zoom out, right? This is a 30-minute chart, zoom out. Don't panic. There's going to be dumps and bumps, but the trend is unmistakable. It's insane, even on the one-day chart. I mean, look at this. Of course, it can dump, and it will dump. So my advice is to take profit on the way up. Sell a little bit every I sell 3% of my ICN every 10% rise from a certain point. So that's just a good structure. Maybe you sell 1% every 5% rise, or whatever percentage you want, but stick to a plan. Make sure you get some profits. But this is amazing news. I'm very excited about the future of Economi. It's not live yet. The platform is not even live, and we're here at 50 cents. Over 50 cents actually. Let me check. Coin market cap. 55 cents. Wow, 55 cents or 56. So this is, you can see the volume is exploding. It's going to be great. So very happy. By the way, I'm not an expert. This is not trading advice. Please don't invest what you can't afford to lose. This is risky. This can crash any day. It is possible. I'm not expecting it to, but it can. You can lose. If you buy here, it can go here, so you lose half of your money. So please only invest money you can afford to lose. Thanks a lot, and up and up for Economi. Buy it at Kraken.